afternoon, grooming. We're back at it. Date is Saturday, May the 30th. I'm out here working on them. Got a stiff breeze blowing. I got lots of yellow crooknecks coming on. Got a bunch of stuff tied up. There's bunches of them in here. Bunches of little yellow crooknecks. Yummy for the tummy. Yes, take them peppers. I butchered these zucchinis. I cut all that dead shit out of there. I left a couple scragglers. I'm gonna give everything a doctor's eyes Monday. They got a feed coming Monday. So I'll feed them everything Monday morning. Heading everything with the doctor's eyes. Take care of this damn powdery mildew and shit. Before it starts affecting my other plants. Got everything tied. Getting ready to go here and work on the girls some more. I don't need no steaks there yet. I'll let this roll. We'll go over here and get in the shade. We'll come over here to Serrilla Z here in a minute. It is hot right there, baby. Yeah, I almost forgot about you. Well, I got out here. This is Miss K's Rockmelon Haze. I'm gonna lay her on over everything I can anyways. I'll let you get a looky here in a minute. And big old knot there now. Busting that tape off. So I take it she done healed up quite well right there. Yeah. Alright, let me get this lady here all laid over and I'll bring you back. Hopefully my camera won't overheat. This is getting warm out here already. We only two and a half minutes into this video and I'm ready to go in the house. I'm back in them flash. Okay, dokie. We got quite a breeze going on here. I don't know if we got a gale warning or not. I ain't looked. I got it all spread out some more. Took four big old fan leaves off. Get them kids out the way. I'll leave them where I can. Lose them where I can't. Okay, dokie. Let's move on over here to that. To the blueberry bush. Yes, indeedy. Might just take her up for long. She ain't gonna take but a minute. So, let's get her done. Okie dokie. This is gonna be pretty quick. I'm just gonna take, 2 fan leaves off and clip 2 branches. I'll steal a couple clips from down here. A lot of these can start coming off anyways. We'll take this one off. Look at that big mug. I'm gonna take that big bitch off. Should have brought my tape measure right here. See where we're at. I'm guessing easy 3 feet. We'll get a measurement on it Monday. And I'm out here watering these girls up, feeding them up. Cha-ching! And cha-ching. Woo! Who loves you, baby? Fatbuds does. All right, on to Serrilla Z. And that'll be a wrap. Probably got a little bit to do over there. Okay, okay. Oh my God. Help. Oh. Get you over this shit. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Here's where we are now. Look at all that in the middle. Look at all them bud sites that are coming right on up. Yes, indeedy. Hopefully this thing won't go back into veg. God damn, it's gonna be an ass whipper if it does. I hope it don't. Cause this one don't get the supplemental light like everything on the other side of the yard there does, because my shed here blocks that that light from the garage. Anyways, let me get these laid over here and I'll bring you back. Hopefully I don't get blowed away. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. We got her laid out. Best we can do for right now. Whew. Damn thing's starting to frost up. Ooh. She got a long ways to go to be getting all frosty like that. Damn it. Whew. Alright, kids, about time for me to get on out of here. I'm getting a little hot. I don't never say anything, but I always have a little support link in my video description. If you want to show old Fatbuds a little love, please do so on the way out. What comes around goes around. And that is a fact. Hey, hope y'all have a fantastic weekend. Appreciate you muchly. I am out of here. Peace.